Hi, my name is Charvine and I'm Calvin. And we are gonna do blind taste test. Yes! And we're going to the kitchen. And I'm gonna... Whoa!
So for the blind taste test, we're gonna have fortune cookies, marshmallows, Fruit Loops, strawberries, mandarin oranges, bread, and lemon. We'll see if they can guess the foods. So we're gonna start with Charvine.
Okay, give me the food.
Wait.
I cannot see anything. What's this? Oh, give me the food. What kitchen? Gabriel. What is this? Strawberry? I think it's strawberry.
Next.
Yes. My turn. My turn. Oops. My turn.
Next.
What's this? Yeah, what's... Ano pa kani ate, mami? Is it, I forgot what it's called. Bulbulon. No!
Next.
Ladybug. Yeah.
What is it first? Make a wild guess.
It's the thing. The inside, it has a note.
Fortune cookie?
Yes.
Okay, next.
My turn.
Wait, Calvin.
Oops. Orange.
What was it again?
Orange.
Okay, next.
My turn.
Calvin!
What is this? Nuts?
What kind?
I don't know. I'm waiting, Mommy.
Next.
Yeah. I'm waiting.
You're gonna be next, Calvin.
What is this? I don't know.
Next.
Something. I don't know.
Okay, last.
Last one, ako. Ako naman. Oh, sour.
What is it?
Lemon.
Okay. Next is Calvin.
Yay.
First is...
This. Banana. Wait.
Bite.
Bite it. Strawberry. Can I have it? Strawberry.
Next.
Fruit Loops.
Okay. Next.
Fruit Loops.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay, next. Here!
Marshmallow.
Okay.
Okay.
Calvin! Stay here. So, no, wait! Next? Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay, next. Okay. Calvin.
Say ah.
Bite.
Orange.
Okay.
Are you ready, Ate? Okay.
Wait. He's still eating.
I'm gonna do it.
Okay.
Okay. Don't say it first.
He already
Don't
did.
tell him that he
Okay, next. Calvin. Ah. What is it?
Yung blender.
Huh?
Yung blender.
Fortune cookie?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is my favorite. Yummy. Ow. This is... Are you done? Yeah.
Next. Wait.
I'm done. Okay.
One more. One more.
Ah. This one.
This one. Never mind
Oh.
that. What is it? Calvin, no looking!
No, don't look. Okay.
Okay, last one. Ah?
Next.
He doesn't want anymore. It's okay, Charvine.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't like the lemon and
The bread? That's a bread.
that. I don't like I like the strawberry
I don't
and
like that. I don't
the
like
orange.
Me too. I don't like it.
I don't like this one too.
I thought you like it now.
That's his favorite.
Your turn.
Okay. Thanks.
Bye.
Thanks for...
Thanks for watching. Bye.